Time to harvest the yellow ones. They are back. Good job, Mama. Good job. Hear this.
Tayari kuacha kuadhibu. Roho yangu inakutamani kama mtu mwenye kiu, nitakuita mwanao.
Tumeokoka, Yesu ni Bwana. Halafu nika break last year.
We have an update. Exciting news. I checked on the sweet potatoes and they are ready. I've seen some, so I want to remove this heap. Check this out, guys. This one's almost rotting, and I can see another one here, so I have to pour water because it rained, but it's not as wet as it needs to, so I'm gonna work on this one. I told you that when it's ready I'll start with this heap first, so here we are 6 months later. I'm so excited. But first, Mom is doing something. Let me show you what she's up to. Time to harvest the yellow ones. Mom has decided to pick them because it's starting to rain and you don't want them to go bad. Ouch, it's okay. Namaanisha unaweza lenga shaba kabisa. Come on. They are penguin. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Nice. Good job, Mama. In February. Awesome. February. Unasema kama ada. February. Good job. With your harvest. Adam ataona atacheka. Leo. Hi. Are you okay? Next time those dogs try something, you just scratch their eye. So I went ahead and filled up my watering can and started pouring water over the bed so as to loosen the soil, so that when I come in with my hoe, it would be easier to pull out the vines as well as the roots, and the roots are where the potatoes are. I'm jumping up and down with excitement because I've been waiting for a whole 6 months. That's half a year. I mean, and this is my first time planting these sweet potatoes. So I'm really curious to see my harvest and also make some really cool tasty chips. We call them chips, but I think they're called fries in other places in the US. But yeah, that's what we call them. And the last time I had this type of chips was back in 2020 when my cousin had bought a huge load of sweet potatoes. I noticed that Leo has been completely enamored by these hips, and there was a time he would jump so hard into them I thought I would break all my plants. He did the same with the gooseberry plants, and that's the same thing that would happen with cocoa. He would jump into these plants, I don't know, do some crazy game of hunting, imagining that these plants are prey or there's a prey inside, and he would, and she as well would tear into these plants. So they kind of have a similar personality. They are quite playful, and I just realized that Leo has made me distract myself from losing cocoa. I don't feel so much depressed. I thought I would be having like a crisis, but I've not had that because Leo has been such a good sport, and he's very affectionate, although he doesn't like being carried. I had thought that a can or two would be enough, but I realized when I started digging into the heap that it was quite still hard, so I had to pour more water evenly, and I think I ended up pouring about 4 or 5, I'm not so sure, but it was a lot of work, and this was just one heap. So I think the next time I'm going to be doing this will be when it's rainy. It's a rainy season because the soil will be loose enough. I started pulling the vines and realized that they break off so easily, and I could not get to the roots, to the tubers, by just pulling. So that's why I have the hoe with me, and it's not the same as when you're harvesting potatoes, the regular potatoes, because those ones you can pull and you might end up with some potatoes still intact, but this way it doesn't work, especially with our soil, which clumps up when it's dry. And of course the vines are weaker than a regular potato stem, so of course I should have known this earlier, but I'm just saying this, if you don't know, just know that you cannot pull out a sweet potato because the vines are weak. Sometimes I wonder, why do I keep on making myself work too hard while I could have just listened to my mom and waited for the rainy season, and maybe it would have been easier to harvest these sweet potatoes. Because imagine I had to pull water from the well and carry 5 cans, and that's around like 12 liters, I think. I think it's written somewhere on that container. I don't even know how much it carries, but yeah, it's a lot to work with. So I have to do that, pour water 5 times, and then use my hoe to dig in. I have to be careful, take precautions. Like I have to, bend. I have to bend. I'm a tall person, so it was a lot of work. But hey, when you're craving for something, you don't listen to advice. You just want to get it done. So I could say that my craving was bigger than my ego. Anyway, this is what I ended up with after all that work, but I'm not yet finished. I just wanted to like take a break. This is the white sweet potato. Kama zile zinakuwa yellow ndani. After I had enough rest, I went back and finished removing the rest, and just a slow process. This thing does not need you to be moving fast because you'll never get it done. You'll be so frustrated because sometimes you might even leave others in the ground because you are too tired to dig deep. So I was digging, as I was digging, I would find these roots from these trees, and those trees, I told you guys, they are, what's the word? They really suck up the nutrients and the water from the soil. They can do so well in dry areas and also in areas where it's swampy. So you can plant them, they'll suck up everything. And their leaves are very flammable, so that's not a good thing. But anyway, their roots are there under my sweet potatoes, but somehow these sweet potatoes thrived during that time. I mean, it's not bad for a first time. It's not bad. So maybe let's see what I ended up with after all that work. Guys, this is what I found. Okay, let me collect all this and show you the loot. Okay, we're all done. Finished removing all of them from this heap. This is these are the vines. We'll take some of them and transfer them back. But here I've made a hole so that we can fill it with some organic matter and water, kitchen waste at least, to regenerate the soil, to re-energize the ecosystem. So here's mom with her yellow maize. Wow, they look so vibrant, mama. Are they dry?
These are dry. This is for dry
That's why they're bright.
so that you can mill.
Oh my goodness. So this is the yellow one, and
This
these
one
are the
is for
greens. Still
making
there.
the
So this is how much I got. Quite a lot. More than what I expected.
Putting in mind that that place is full of roots.
Roots from this tree, yes.
This tree has really.
It's a heavy feeder. Yeah, most of the time when you plant something there, it rarely grows. But I'm happy that the sweet potatoes did their best.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And this is the white, which I think it's yellow on the inside.
Maybe.
Yeah, it is. Let me break one. It's yellowish, it's not white, it's white entirely.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's sweet. That's how we eat it.
So how you taste if it is mature?
Yeah, it is mature. Very sweet. And over here,
So they are 6 months.
mm-hmm. Over here, there's the other type of maize. And this will be dried for seeds. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. That's it, guys. I'm going to light a charcoal and boil this sweet potato. Charcoal burner. What? Ajiko. Yes. I say light charcoal. What am I saying? I'm gonna light up a jiko and boil this. Look at this. This is the biggest. For now, the next one it will be bigger than this. Hopefully, I'm learning the lessons. I'll see you on the next one. But before I go, subscribe. See ya. Today it's foggy. Or is it misty? Foggy. I think the right term is foggy because it's visibility of less than a kilometer. So it's cold. Oh my goodness. It's been a while. Just walking out. In the past weeks, there have been days where it's been raining, and my vegetables really love this rain. Even if it's for a short period, you can see them transform. And today I'm in the garden. Adam is helping me record this part. I wanted to pick out some greens. I think it was for supper because it was evening, and I wanted him to also come outside because he can tend to just be indoors. He's introverted, which I also am, and I understand that we can stay indoors for quite a while without ever seeing outside. So I try and encourage him to be outside and also try and vlog because I thought he would love this. I thought he would have a liking towards things with recording, editing, but so far he's not interested. He's not been interested. So I'm just bringing him along, and hopefully maybe someday he will grow to like it. Anyway, so I'm picking some greens, and I also have a bit of Swiss chard that I want to mix with these collards. And don't press again.
Still shooting. It's still shooting.
This is enough. Okay. Guys, look at my colors. I added some more here, and we're just praying that the rains start. Are they crying? No, stop. Why are you doing that? That gigantic. What the hell? What the hell, Leo? Leo, there's another one here. There.
Yeah, I've seen it. Huh?
Pick it. This one.
Okay. Papa, there's also another one.
Look at Leo.
Yeah. Wow, gigantic.
Yes.
Now
Why
I
don't
have
you
two
eat it?
karatasi.
Both of them. Oh no. You stuffed your mouth. How is it?
Tayari kuacha kuadhibu. Tutasoma Zaburi ya 84:2. Ee Mungu, wewe Mungu wangu, nami nakutafuta kwa moyo, roho yangu inakutamani kama mtu mwenye kiu. Tutasoma Luka 15:7. Nitarudi kwa baba yangu, kosa Mungu na nimekukosea wewe pia. Sistahili hata kuitwa mwanao. Yote chini ya kiatanitosha. Nasi ndiye mwamba ni salama.
The church service was to mark the beginning of Lent season, and we also had some guests from the county as well as other guests who had traveled all the way from Nandi County and coming from a different church. They're coming from the SDA church. So the thing about this rescue center is that it's open for everyone, people from different denominations, because it's a community, or it's run by the county, so everyone is welcome, so long as you have the intention of coming in to help out and collaborate with the institution.
Baraka za Mungu Baba ni zangu. Baraka za Mungu Baba ni zangu. Zaweza.
Nimeokoka, Yesu ni Bwana. Nilijoin hii ministry ya kuja hapa 2024 August hivi, halafu nika break last year, the other 2025 kidogo, because there was a lady.
After service, the young people from the SDA in Nandi County, can't remember the name of their church because it's such a hard word to pronounce. They came with some food stuff and other supplies, and that really helped to top up whatever was there. And we're calling out to anyone who is around Eldoret or even all over Kenya, and it can be even far, but I think you can still contribute whatever you have. And just calling out anyone who has something to contribute, you can do that, because this is a community effort. Afternoon, guys. We're out here with Adam and we're in Eldoret Rescue Center. Adam wants to go home, but it's raining, so he has to stay. You stay behind, we leave you. Because you are not so fast, so I'll have to leave you. I ran. Yeah. We took cover inside one of the offices that sometimes serves as a classroom. And behind it is a garden, and you can see that there is also a greenhouse, but this time they don't have anything growing in the garden. Look at this. Come sit here. The Bucky effect. Door.
Two doors.
Two doors. Wait.
The place where Buddha stay.
Say it again.
Dormitories.
Dormitories, yeah. Dormitories. Oh, cooking is very
I'm a helicopter.
It's a bubble head. Oh my goodness. What's that? That's the pedal that you step on. So you step on there and the cloth is here. What's that? Adam, what is this? What is it called?
Whole sewing machine.
Yes. Sewing machine.
Sewing machine.
Look at this book.
Hey, my name is. This is my name. My name is Phoebe. This is my name. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a hat. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a hat. This is a dog.
Is this a dog?
Hey.
What is that?
Dog.
Is this a dog? Oh my goodness, this is not a dog.
I said
Your eyes
dog,
are bad.
Dog. It's a dog. It probably makes me.
Oh my goodness. I'm already tired. You read it if you want. I think you may choke up. What about you're the youngest? You're the youngest. What? You're creating a lot of energy for no. What if it cuts? What's the name of this? Ray? Ray what? Runner. It's upside down.
Oh, Rana.
So this is the sweet potato bed, and I want to check. This is the second one. I'm gonna check for potatoes. 6 months later, there's still 2 more, and this one as well, which I put up later, and that one. So these ones are quite young, these two. But these ones, I think they're ready because that one was ready. Let's do it. Halfway done. Look at this one. Trying to remove it. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. I didn't give you feedback on the last sweet potatoes, but they were quite delicious. And we boiled them. I think most of them were boiled, and also gave some to my neighbors. So this time around, I wanted to go back and get some more because I was craving some chips. So that's what we're going to do in this video later. But I don't think I recorded the full thing, but you'll just see the snippets here and there. So this is how much I got. I made sure I didn't leave anything behind. I picked even the tiniest ones that I could find that could be eaten or cooked. And this is how much I got. I didn't have quite as much as I had expected, but this is what we're going to work with. So I chopped them up, and sadly I don't have footage of me frying them because I was quite busy that day. But you can trust me when I say that they turned out great. I enjoyed them so much. This is me with my hair sticking out as like mantis antennae, and I was just enjoying them. Look at them, they're so yellow, matching my hoodie. And
Okay, better the ant. Okay.
the new greens are becoming so big, especially now that it has been raining consistently. They're quite big, and I wanted to pick some, but unfortunately we found that most of the large leaves, the bottom leaves, had been infested with aphids. I don't know if it's aphids. I think the worms, those ones that draw like white lines. I don't think they're aphids though. And that's the case for most of these plants. But that's because I've not sprayed them. And if you want to keep them clean, you have to just check on them every time. And frankly, I had not done that. And during that time when there was no rain, I think that's when they were attacked. So I was just telling my mom that I think that in Nairobi, these leaves that I'm dropping to the floor would have been sold to us, because what do you mean I'm throwing all this on the ground? Some people would have taken them and washed, but we're just doing that so that we don't leave any to be infested. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and remember to subscribe if you've not, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when I upload a new video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.